Perhaps you would respond to an alternative form of writing.
Great idea. Talking.
What are we gonna do, Buzz?
No.
Use your head.
The ultimate. Never mind.
Are you kidding? I say we just get some more paper.
Yes! Thank you, Potato Head. Come on, guys. Let's go out and...
Nope. 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 I'll be right back after this message. Nope.
Sure you will, Rex. In fact, you're a better
No.
Tom Hanks than Woody.
No. 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 I'll be right back after this message. No. No. I'll be right back. No. No. I'll be right back after these messages. No. No. I'll be right back after you messages. No. I'll be right back after you messages. That's it.
It's bogey flavor.
Oh no, not you're not for the 8th time. No, don't be like it for the 8th time. Don't be like the worst for the 8th time. No, floating. Don't be like it for the 8th time. Floating. Not again. No, floating. Please.
No, Buzz.
Enough. No. Oh no, what's my no, not the gears for 9th time. No, not the gears. Don't for 9th time. Don't open the gate. Don't be there for 9th time. Don't be there for 9th time. Ah! Floating. Third. One, not two. Too late.
Surely you can do better.
Nope.
You're right.
Nope. I'll be right back. Nope. I'll be right back. Nope. I'll be right back.